This is one of your favorite videos and one of the most requested. It's how to do affiliate marketing with a YouTube channel. Now, if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Leon Angus. I regularly do videos on affiliate marketing, SEO, building websites, niche websites, blogs, I already said SEO, and wherever else, and some of the YouTube stuff here and there. I throw that in the mix as well. But what we're going to be specifically talking about today is how you can monetize your YouTube channel. Now, the reason why we're doing this video is because you might be thinking, all right, so I've got a new YouTube channel and I want to make money, but I've got to wait for Google AdSense. So what Google AdSense is when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, and you finally get monetized by YouTube's advertising partners, which obviously whereby you see adverts on your channel and you get paid per 1,000 views or watch time or whatever else. Yeah. So some people get like a $4 per 1,000 views, some get $3, so on and so forth, ranging all the way up to $8 if you've got a really highly profitable niche that you're in. All right, now that's a small way of making income, because even if you get like 10,000 views, that only equates to like, let's take an average about $4, that equates to about $40, which is not a lot of money, to live on in that sense for 10,000 bloody views. Yeah. And just to make 400, you'd need 100,000 views. Yeah. All right. So how does a small channel make money? Well, one of the ways is affiliate marketing. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, just to explain it for those who don't, if you are new to it, what affiliate marketing is essentially going and signing up to third-party companies, whatever ones that you're interested in and you've used before maybe, and then signing up to their referral program of where you make a commission if you recommend anyone through your link. Okay, so for example, if you are into fitness and you go and sign up to Insanity affiliate program or the referral program, you might make 30% per commission per sale that you send through your specific link. So it might be insanity.com/Leon Angus, and I'll put that in my description so you could obviously go through that and go and buy Insanity. Now, with affiliate marketing, you always want to structure things in the right way, meaning you want to be providing a helpful product or service to someone who's watching your videos, otherwise they won't buy it. And secondly, you want to do it because you want to be ethical, and it will help you in the long term because you're helping people and it reciprocates by coming back to you in a monetary reward in that sense. And over the long term, the more trust you build with people, the more people will obviously be more open to buying things that you recommend because they probably know that it's going to be good. All right, so that's number one. Always recommend things that are really good for people, that you think are really going to help people. Now, when I started out, it was quite difficult because I didn't know what to recommend. And when you're starting out, you're thinking, all right, well, you're saying about using these things, but I don't use anything. But there are things that you use, and over time, just be open that, over time, you will start to use more tools and start to use more things, so you can obviously recommend things to people, okay? And try it out, because YouTube's all about research, like going in, getting some information that's unique that no one else has done, and presenting it to a specific audience of people that are around a certain topic or niche, okay? All right, so how does affiliate marketing work with your YouTube channel? Well, what I wanted to do is just show you a few, kind of examples of some of the people who are doing affiliate marketing on YouTube right now and making a shit ton of money. Mind my French. All right, so yeah, let's check it out right now. Okay, so I wanted to start off a bit different with this one, and I wanted to show you just a different kind of, YouTube channel that's doing this, and you wouldn't really think it, to be honest. So for the girls who are watching this video, you can see that this is a girl called Maria Dragonova, and then you can obviously see that she has all these links in her description box, okay? So throughout this video, she's doing a Zara review, and you can see she's reviewing all of these different clothing and whatever else, so on and so forth. So one of the ways that she's making money is through adverts, and then another way that she's making money with 425 views an hour is quite crazy. Another way she's making money is through these links in her description. So all of the things that she's wearing in the video, she's leaving a link to. Now, can you see that it says like zara.com/blah blah 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 blah? Okay, so this is Zara's affiliate program here, most probably. So you can see if we go and check this link over here, it's going to have her name somewhere in there or some kind of code. Okay, so we can see that it says tweed jacket. Let's just have a look. You can see it's a campaign. Okay, so that's not a clear indication. Her code will probably be this thing here, but you can see if you go over to Zara, she's obviously going to get paid on this, yeah? But that's not a clear enough example. I want to make it even better. So what we're going to do is click this. And the way you find these affiliate programs is just go and find, obviously, other people in your niche who are doing reviews on any type of product or service and then see what they're linking to, and you'll find the program. Or you could simply Google it. Okay, so her links are not actually working on this one. Not sure. This page doesn't exist anymore. But Our Style is definitely another affiliate program. So you can see here, this, I'm not sure what's going on. I keep getting sent over to this, but you can see this is like a referral code, so on and so forth. And first of all, it was going to the right place. I'm not sure what's going on with her links in this, but you can see this is exactly how it works. Okay, so it comes over with this affiliate link here, and then you can see, look, affiliate campaign, and then affiliate site ID, and it's got her code. So this is a great example to Chanel. Okay, so you can see Chanel perfume or whatever it is. You can go and buy this. If you buy anything through this from going over to her video and watching it, Chanel mascara, she'll make a commission. She's going to make a commission on this and anything else that you buy. Now, there's also something called a cookie on affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing. And what that means is basically a cookie is the length of time that someone can go away from this site, not click back through this again, and return to this site just to buy something, and you'll make a commission on everything they buy, even if they close this down, come back tomorrow and make a purchase. Now that will depend on the length of the cookie period. Some are 24 hours, some are 365 days. I've seen some are lifetime cookies where the person just has to go back and buy it one day and you still make the commission unless they click on someone else's link. Now this is another example in the internet marketing industry. Now why I wanted to show you this one is because of the way that they do it. It's such a friendly way. So you've got Income School, who many of you may know of already if you're watching this channel. So they're getting obviously quite a few views on some of their videos, 15,000 views there. And then they've got all these recommended products inside of the products and services inside of the description box. So what they've done is they've built this onto the side of their website, and they've got pages specifically giving you a more in-depth review of each specific product. So even though they're not talking about this particular product inside of this video, they're recommending you to it. And then when you go and see what they're doing, you can obviously see a quick review on exactly why they recommended this, all of the tips of why this is good, and then so on and so forth. You can see all the rest of the information. So this is a theme. This is their own theme, funny enough. But let's have a look. Recommended email list provider. Okay, so let's just take a look at that one, and this will be a good example for you. All right, so you can see here there's a video, and then as we go down, you can see the ones that they recommend, which is only one in this scenario, and then this is an affiliate link. So if I click this, they get paid. Okay, so you can see that they're not going to get paid just here. It's if I make a purchase. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Simply, there's nothing more to that. Now another example of this is when you go to a big YouTuber, someone like Casey Neistat, and this doesn't matter what niche or topic your channel is based around. You can do affiliate marketing in absolutely any niche. And what gets really better with this affiliate kind of business model is that you can also recommend recurring subscriptions. So if you recommend something that's recurring, obviously you can stack your customers. So if someone signed up today and you're making £5 a month, someone else signs up, you get £10 a month. Then two more people sign up, that's £20 a month, and you keep stacking and stacking and stacking. Okay, so you can see here, this is Sony Camera, and this is Amazon's affiliate program, which many of you may be a lot more familiar with. And you can see here, obviously, drone that he uses, microphone, so on and so forth, because a lot of people are going to want to know what equipment you're using to make those videos, even your editing software like Premiere Pro, for example. I use that from Adobe, and that has a really good high paying affiliate program because the program is like £50 per month. So if you can get a good nice commission on that, even like 10%, that's £5. Or if you can get like 20%, obviously, 10% would be £5, 20% would be £10 a month, so on and so forth. All right, so no matter what niche you're in, you can find them. And if you go over to Google, you can just type, like fitness affiliate programs, okay, or top fitness affiliate programs, or top this. You can see, look, there's lists of them on every single site. So there's no excuses. You can always find an affiliate program no matter what niche you're in. Okay, so you can see a list of different programs here. All of these different programs, you can sign up to their program and promote the products on your channel. Okay, so if we head over to here, I've got a few places you can start, which is Amazon Associates. You can head over to ClickBank, can head over to CJ Affiliates. Our Style is a female clothing one, which is really good. I think it's about 15% commission rate. Amazon ranges from about 1% to around 8%, 10% commission structure. ClickBank, you can get up to like 100% commissions on some of them. You don't want the percentage there, so that's really good as well. You've got courses. For example, I recommend a course on this channel, which is a guy, Franklin Hatchett. Let me get back on the camera normally. So I recommend a course from Franklin Hatchett, which is a great example, and Franklin Hatchett's course is really good. I've bought quite a few courses, be it that I've been trying to learn affiliate marketing myself over the course of the last 2 years, and there's some courses that have really stood out to me. And those courses are the ones that I recommend to my audience. Now, do you need a big audience to do this? The answer to that is no. You do not need a big audience. If you've even got as small as 50 people, 10 people, there's always things that you can help them with. If you can help 10 people, that means you can recommend products and services. Now, you really need to look at this as a way of helping people and not a way of trying to just monetize them. If you're looking at it just a monetary gain kind of opportunity, then you're not going to recommend things that are truly going to help those people, nor are you going to build up any trust or authority around that particular topic or niche, okay? So what I recommend that you do is go and test different things. If you've got no products or services that you're currently using that you could recommend, then you can go and test different things. There's websites like CJ Affiliates. There's websites like, offervault.com, and you can go and find local products, that you can, services, that you can recommend. You can head over to ClickBank. You can head over to Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates is okay when you're starting out, but I don't recommend it in the long term, especially because, if you're really trying to make money and make a full-time income, then I recommend you only refer things where you're going to make a decent amount of money, because you can end up wasting your time once you're a bit more experienced with these small ticket products like making $5 here and there. Now, at the same time, while I say don't focus just on the money, you do want to at least make a good, decent amount of income so you can continue to provide the help to people. Otherwise, it's not worth your while. Okay, so I only recommend things at this point that are worth my while. If you find something that's like cheaper and you just think it's going to help people, then so what? Recommend it. Sometimes don't even use an affiliate link if you don't want to. It doesn't matter. The eye of the idea here is just that you can make some money out of some additional income out of your channel, and you won't be waiting on these 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. That is the criteria now set for a small time YouTuber to be able to monetize their channel. And then throughout, the rest of your growth, you might sign up to sponsors, so on and so forth. But for the moment, this is a great way of making some money. I've made £1,000 per month plus with this method, that I'm teaching you right here, and with this YouTube channel. So you can make quite a bit of money. It's really good in just helping people, and the more you build up an audience, the more you don't want to disappoint people. So anything that I recommend, I'm always happy and proud of. And then you start to realize, you go off and you study and you try and figure out, what else can I recommend that's more helpful to them, like to help them even get more results. And I always say, just recommend something that helps someone get from point A to point B, their desired outcome, or somewhere that they would get out of pain. Yeah, so their desired outcome, where they are now and where they desire to be, and you never really go wrong with that. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a subscribe. leave a subscribe. Make sure to leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new. If you have any questions about anything I've gone over, then make sure to just leave a comment. As you know, if you are not new to this channel, I always get back to the comments. So if you are new, just know that I do get back to the comments. And if you are new, what the hell are you doing? Make sure you go and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you check out all of the rest of my videos, because I put a lot of effort into these videos, and I know there's a lot of you that are now coming into this channel and you're looking for ways that you would like help with certain things, and a lot of the things you ask me questions on have already been covered in this channel. Alright? I can't even talk. But anyway, yeah, I hope you're enjoying these videos. Also, send me any of your sites on email. I'm going to leave my personal email address below. If you've got any sites or you want me to have a look and review your sites on this channel, send them in. If you're into like affiliate marketing and you want me to check out your YouTube channel or your website or something like that, I'll take a look and give you my advice, and review it so others can pitch in, maybe give you some tips. I can give you some tips and help you to make some more income. Alright, so anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you have a good afternoon or good day, good morning, wherever you are, good night, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.